Welcome back. In this step, we are going to enable the lifecycle block and then apply the changes of lifecycle block first. Okay. Then later we'll move on and then change the availability zone from 1B to 1A and then observe what happens. Okay. So let's go back here to Visual Studio Code and enable the lifecycle block. So currently we have the EC2 instance here running right in 1B region. So from the previous step. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to apply the lifecycle block with create before destroy is equal to true for this EC2 instance. Okay. So I'll say Terraform plan and then apply it. So let's see what the plan is going to show us, and after that let's go ahead and then apply. So whatever the behavior we have added, it doesn't need any changes for the remote object. So if that is the case, no changes are required here. Okay. So if you want Terraform apply auto approve also should show nothing. Okay. So this is only a behavioral change for your respective resource, and that from the configuration perspective we are adding it. So that's the reason there is no changes to apply to your remote object, which is nothing but the EC2 instance running in the cloud. So if you see, even if I say apply auto approve also, 0 added, 0 changed, and then 0 destroyed. That's the thing. Okay. So now we'll go back here and uncomment 1A and then comment 1B. So which means currently it is running in 1B. I want to run it on 1A. Okay. So now how the behavior happens, we are going to see. So we can directly say Terraform apply auto approve and then see what happens. Okay. So ideally it should first create the resource in 1A and then delete the resource in 1B. Okay. So let's see it's going to happen that way or not. So you can see AWS instance is getting created first. So the default behavior is delete and create. Here it is create and then delete. So first it is trying to create the instance. See, now the web1 which is in 1A is coming up. After that only it will delete this 1B instance. So we have successfully tested the lifecycle block with create before destroy meta argument, which is changing the AWS instance resource behavior. So let's wait for this to complete and then we'll clear the stuff. So EC2 instance creation is completed and it started destroying the other resource. So let's go here and see this. Okay. So 1A is running and then 1B it is shutting down. So that's about the thing what we have discussed earlier in the presentation also. So create before destroy. So now this is completed. So we'll go here and then destroy everything and then clean up this stuff. Okay. So clean up the resources here. So we'll Terraform destroy auto approve to destroy all the resources here and then clean the Terraform files now. Okay. So I'll destroy the resource and after that I'll also clean up the resources. So I'll remove these also, tf state files, and also so in next lecture we are going to focus on, where is this here? Okay, prevent _ destroy. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.